In a significant turn of events, former FBI Director James Comey has been formally charged with 2 counts, as confirmed by the Department of Justice. These charges include 1 count of making false statements and another for obstruction of justice. This indictment has stirred considerable attention, especially as it comes on the heels of a public demand from former President Donald Trump for immediate action against Comey and other political adversaries. Trump expressed his approval of the indictment, declaring it as justice for America. This statement underscores the ongoing tensions between Trump and Comey, which have been palpable since Comey was dismissed from his position during Trump's first year in office. The Department of Justice's indictment alleges that Comey obstructed a congressional investigation regarding the unauthorized disclosure of sensitive information in violation of 18 U.S.C. 1505. Additionally, it claims that Comey made a false statement, violating 18 U.S.C. 1001, by asserting that he had not authorized anyone at the FBI to act as an anonymous source. According to the indictment, this assertion was indeed false. Attorney General Pamela Bondi emphasized the principle that no one is above the law, highlighting the Department of Justice's commitment to holding individuals accountable for misusing their power. She stated, "Today's indictment reflects this Department of Justice's commitment to holding those who abuse positions of power accountable for misleading the American people. We will follow the facts in this case." In response to the charges, Comey took to social media, asserting his innocence and expressing a desire for a trial. He remarked, "There are costs to standing up to Donald Trump, but we couldn't imagine ourselves living any other way." This statement reflects the personal and professional risks that often accompany high-profile political confrontations. The indictment comes shortly after Trump publicly urged his Justice Department to take swift action against Comey and others he perceives as political enemies. The charges were filed by the Eastern District of Virginia, where a new U.S. attorney, Lindsay Halligan, has recently taken over. Halligan, who has limited experience as a federal prosecutor, was nominated by Trump, who has been vocal about his dissatisfaction with previous investigations into his administration. For years, Trump has criticized the findings of U.S. intelligence agencies, which concluded that Russia favored him over Democratic candidate Hillary Clinton during the 2016 election. Although special counsel Robert Mueller's investigation did not establish that Trump or his campaign criminally colluded with Russia, it did reveal that the Trump campaign welcomed assistance from Moscow. This has fueled Trump's narrative of vindication, particularly in light of perceived errors made by the FBI during the investigation. It's important to note that the current charges against Comey do not directly relate to the substance of the Russia investigation itself. Instead, they focus on allegations that he misled a Senate committee during his testimony in 2020, where he claimed he had never authorized anyone to act as an anonymous source regarding the investigation. The Trump administration has sought to frame the Russia investigation as a politically motivated effort by the previous Democratic administration to undermine Trump's legitimacy as president. This ongoing saga raises numerous questions about accountability, the integrity of political institutions, and the implications of power dynamics in Washington. As this story unfolds, it invites a broader discussion. What does this indictment mean for the future of political accountability in America? Are we witnessing a necessary step towards justice, or is it a politically motivated maneuver? We encourage you to share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below.